Let's learn how we can take 48 megapixel photos on our iPhone 17 and 17 Pro devices. But before we start with this video, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Firstly, you'll want to exit the camera app because we have to hop over to our iPhone settings page and then go over to this camera section. We'll then select Formats and make sure that this resolution control option is enabled. After that, I'm going to exit this and hop over to my camera app, and we'll want to select this HEIF option at the top left corner. And you can see it's currently set to 24 megapixels for me. But just tap on 48, and then your iPhone is going to take 48 megapixel photos from now on. This will give you a much better resolution and a higher quality photo overall. But just keep in mind that 48 megapixel photos can take much more storage space. So if you're low on storage, you might want to leave it at 24 megapixels.